This is the final video to fix OBS. An unspecified error occurred while recording. Are you also facing this issue where OBS won't record, crashes, or shows that vague error message every time you try to start recording? I was also facing the same problem, and it was really frustrating. I couldn't capture my gameplay or videos, and nothing seemed to work. I searched online and saw many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them were too complicated. They talked about changing hidden system settings, editing config files, or running long commands that were hard to follow. I wasted a lot of time trying those methods, and many didn't even fix the error. After experimenting myself, I finally discovered a secret, simple trick that actually works. Using this trick, I was able to fix the unspecified error and start recording in OBS smoothly. You don't need to be a tech expert. It works every time without causing new issues. Now OBS records perfectly, and I can capture videos without interruptions. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I do it, comment down below. Follow Rexish because this trick really helped me fix OBS. An unspecified error occurred while recording, and it can help you too.